Hello there, this is DaveTech. In this short video, I want to show you how to download and install the Haystack News app to your Hisense Smart TV. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. So if you want to install the Haystack News app, here's what you have to do. You have to start to make sure that the application is not installed by default once you buy a Hisense Smart TV. If it's not, then try to locate your app store. Here's mine over here. Once you go out to your app store, you can browse through the available applications to try to find the application, but that might take a lot of time because you don't know where the application is found. So the easiest and simplest thing to do, now you can browse through, you just go over to news and weather, and if you browse through, Haystack should be somewhere here. Here's it over here. You can just go over here and click on it once and install the application. But if this method doesn't work, you can always come through to the option that says search and search for application here by just typing the Haystack app. But that's the longer method, and since we've seen the application here, we're just going to go ahead and install it from here. So what you have to do, just click on the application once and it's going to load more information and just click on install. And once you install the application, it's going to ask you to position it where you want it to be, and you're just going to position it here. And that's about it with the application. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.